Forex stands for foreign exchange. It's the process of buying one currency while selling another, and it happens globally, 24 hours a day. Did you know over $6 trillion is traded every single day in the Forex market? This makes it the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. In Forex, currencies are traded in pairs. For example, the Euro-USD pair means trading the euro against the US dollar. The first currency is the base. The second is the quote currency. There are three types of currency pairs: major pairs like Euro-USD, minor pairs like GBP, AUD, and exotic pairs like USD. The most common chart used by traders is the candlestick chart. Green candles show price going up. Red candles show price going down. Each candlestick represents a time frame, like 1 minute, 1 hour, or 1 day. Shorter time frames are used by day traders. Longer ones are better for swing trading. To start trading, choose a reliable broker like Exness. Sign up for a demo account and practice without risking real money. Smart traders never risk more than they can afford to lose. Use stop loss and take profit tools to manage your trades and protect your capital. Learn the basics. Practice with a demo. And always keep learning, because Forex rewards those who stay disciplined. Thanks for watching. Download our free Forex starter pack to help you get started. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more trading tips. Before you can achieve your goals in life, you must first understand the importance of setting clear objectives. Picture standing in a dense fog, uncertain which direction to take. That's what life can feel like without defined goals. Goals act as a compass, guiding you through uncertainty. Setting a goal involves identifying something you want to achieve. It can be big, like starting a business, or small, like reading more books. The key is to make it specific. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," a better goal would be, "I want to run a 5K in 3 months." Next, it's crucial to make your goals measurable. This allows you to track your progress. For example, if your goal is to save money, determine how much you want to save monthly. This clarity helps you stay motivated. Break your goals down into manageable steps. If your goal is to write a book, start by writing a page a day. This approach makes large tasks less overwhelming and keeps you engaged. Accountability is vital. Share your goals with friends or family. They can support you and help keep you on track. You can even join a community with similar objectives. As you progress, celebrate small victories. Each step forward boosts your confidence and encourages continued effort. Remember, achieving goals is a journey, not a race. To wrap up, define what you want, make it measurable, break it down, find support, and celebrate achievements. Ready to take control of your future? Start setting your goals today.